with the advanced settings, you can also do a couple of things. You can fine tune a bid optimization strategy, which is basically you telling the system how fast and aggressive to change the bids, right? So we have several templates here, and the settings just boil down to how many clicks are analyzed before making a bid change decision. And then once Sellerboard understands, okay, it analyzes 10 clicks in this case and says, okay, I now know how to change the bid because I analyzed 10 clicks. I saw how many sales were made after 10 clicks. I know basically how to change it now to get this keyword to the target range. Then the bid change is divided into several steps. So the system doesn't change the bid from A to Z, right? It needs to break it into several steps to make it a little bit more smooth, because the algorithm from Amazon with the PPC bid changes, sometimes if you have a very abrupt or sudden change, then the result might be a little bit unpredictable. This is why we give the user the option to smooth it out a little bit. Yeah, if you want to play it more safe, you can give it a little bit more steps. If you want to try and be more aggressive, then you can, just divide it into 2 or 3 steps. It all depends on the market, on the product, on the niche, the competitor activity. So it's a thing of testing it out, right? So yeah,